YouTube channel. Today, for a change, I'm actually going to be doing I'm going to be helping one of you guys out there who does Kumon. And yeah, so as in the title, I'm going to be doing D161a to D165b. So yeah, I'm not going to be doing all the questions, obviously. I'm basically going to be just helping you with some of them. Okay, so the question on the first page says divide both the denominator lower term and the numerator upper term of each fraction by 2. And so basically, to basically if you want to simplify a fraction, sometimes that's what you're gonna do. So basically, this is number 1. I know I'm not explaining this very well, so I might as well just restart my drawing. So basically, you're gonna simplify your fractions. If I had 2/4 and I wanted to simplify that, what number do they both go into? They both go into 2, so I divide them both by 2. And I have to do the same with both of them, because whatever you do on the top, you do on the bottom as well. You have to do the same thing. And here is the simplified version of 2/4. So I hope that gives you a better understanding. So I will just do 1 and 2 with you guys. So question number 1 is 4/6 equals 3 with a box on top. So it says that you have to divide both of the denominators and the numerator by 2. So I have to divide it by 2 and divide it by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So that's the answer for number 1. Now number 2, you have 4/10 equals what? Well, all it says is it equals 2 over something. Let me put a box there. And again, what they did is they divided it by 2, so that's what I'm gonna do. Sorry, that's just my family family members. They're all downstairs, so yeah. And that's basically what it is. So yeah. The next page says, so I'm gonna help you with the first 2 questions. Next two questions on the second page is actually the same thing. So I'm gonna skip that page. Actually, I'm gonna skip that page and go on to D162a. Okay, so this time it's reduce each fraction by 2. The same thing, the example is 6/9 equals, and this is just simplifying. You can also call it reduction or reduce, as the title is on the Kumon worksheet. So, so this is what it said, but basically what you have to do, you have to divide it by 3, divide 9 by 3 to get to 3, and I actually still do Kumon, so you're going to be doing fractions for a long time, basically up till you're on level G. When you're on level D, so yeah. And you have to divide 6 by 3 to get 2. So, first question. Let's do the first question together. Okay. So the first question. Okay, the first question says 3/6 equals something over 2. And if you're dividing that by 3, it would be 2. And if you're dividing that by 3, 3 divided by 1 is obviously, 3 divided by 3 is obviously 1. I actually got confused when I'm still confused when it's 3 divided by 1 and 3 divided by 3. I really get them mixed up, so please help me. Okay, so that's how you do the first question. The second question, again, is basically the same thing. So 3/9 and it didn't say anything. So all you have to do, you have to just divide both of them by 3 because you're reducing them each fraction by 3. So just do that. 3 divided by 3, 1. 9 divided by 3, 3. And that is your answer. The next page is the same thing. So now we're going on to D163a. Wait, how long have I been doing this video? I don't know. Wait, what's the time? Okay. So basically, I'm going to be skipping each one page because you can do that page by yourself because it's just the same thing. Okay, so I'm gonna rub this page out, this drawing out, and I'm gonna go read you the next question. And it said reduce. The fractions can be reduced by 2 or 3. So this is a time where you need to notice what numbers the denominator and the numerator both go into. So this is just an example. So wait, what? Oh. So basically, if you had the maybe if you had, let's think of an example. Maybe 12 over 15. Okay. So what do they both go into? 12 goes into 2 and 3, but 15 only goes into the 3's. So we can go divide them both by 3. So how you would do it, obviously you would just divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3. So yeah. And yeah, I'm gonna help you with the first and the second question again. The first question is 2 over 8. Well, 2 goes into 2's obviously, and 8 goes into the 2's as well. So you would divide it by 2. You already know how that method works. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. That's your answer. The second one is 2 over 10. And you would have to divide both the 2 goes into 2, obviously, and 10 goes into 2 as well, so you divide both of them by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So that's your answer. Let's see the next page. Okay. Now they're adding a bunch of fractions and stuff and all that stuff, and I'm actually gonna leave you to do the rest of the worksheet, and good luck with it, I guess. Bye.